we are still working on backward basis to find the source of infection. But as I had mentioned earlier, the BSF, what they are saying is post-lockdown, no person from outside has come. So those who have come before lockdown, some of it might be the source of infection. But because it's a 28-day cycle, most likely he has recovered. So as of today, he is a negative, but he may have infected somebody who then have infected somebody. The chain has started. However, because its number is increasing, we are in touch with NCDC, National Center for Communicable Diseases, for disease that deal with the communicable disease, and we have requested them to come to Tripura, do the investigation and analysis, so that we can have a better appreciation how things have spread and also how it may turn out. They are the best agency in the country to deal with the communicable disease. Our GB and other facility which I had mentioned yesterday. Now, today efforts have gone post declaration of positive result of that Kamalpur patient. Dhalai BOP area has also been declared a containment zone as per the procedure, and the mopping of operation and surveillance has started. The contacts are being traced. So we are working on, because this BOP comes under 3rd Battalion located at Nalkata.
The vigil they are keeping or movement of BSF, it may happen the model also.
Yes. As of now, the vigil work is not getting hampered because those who have been brought in here are mostly from the headquarters. So BOP operations are going on. But yes, there would be a sense of which we all feel the demoralization, how things are spreading so fast and often. So that we have talked to the IG and we have told them that we are with them. They are doing the border protection. So if it's a bad time for them, we are with them. All our resources are with them. So our combined resources should take care of the whole requirement. But yes, from the society side also there is a need, and I appeal through you to all the society members that please do not treat all BSF personnel as corona positive. They are not. So they are as good as anybody else. They are doing their job, patrolling our borders and keeping us safe from Bangladesh side. So I appeal to you, all of them, that please do not treat everybody as with fear and suspicion. His travel history, he came on 11th March from a 1-month holiday from his home. Since then, till on 22nd, when he was posted at Karina BOP, he was in the battalion headquarters, working as quartermaster or helper to the quartermaster. In between, on 2nd and 4th, he had gone to Gandachera once for some administrative job. He went there, did the job and came back. So 22nd, he went to the Karina BOP. 23rd, he complained of the pain. So he was brought to his Gandachera Adam base, which is another BOP. 24th, he was in Gandachera hospital, and 25th he was there, 26th he was shifted to Kulai, and then the rest is known to all of us.
Another question that I have is,
Government has decided that Shahid Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel will be converted to a dedicated COVID care center, and from tomorrow onwards, if we have any more patients, we would use that facility for their accommodation, and that place would be used for keeping the persons with mild symptoms and asymptomatic patients. We expect that there would be initially 200 seats available for such patients, and if required, it can further be increased. Now, on the sampling fronts, since the first patient reported in Dhalai, we have taken till today evening about 1200 plus samples on contact tracing basis. sample taking of 138 battalion, both serving personals and family members, is complete. Today, 86 battalion, all personals sample have been taken, and of the family members, 27 samples have been taken. They will be further taken. If you have any question.
So is there any initiative to collect the samples from other BSF headquarters?
Yes, we have had discussion with the IG. So now we are working on how to take some samples on random basis from their other battalion headquarters also.
What about the report of BSFIC?
Yes, we had got the report from BSFIG. It did give information on the first patients which came, and details were there. Yesterday we had a meeting. Honorable CM had taken a meeting, and we discussed the further. So further detailed report, because every day situation is evolving, we are likely to receive. So that will give
What
more.
about the source of it?
Work is going on. That's all.
PSR is still deployed in the border.
The old position continues. They are still supporting in the supporting role. Front line is done by BSF. They are in supporting role.
So other patients, how many BSF persons?
What family members?
Oh, that will be work. No, there will be more. There are altogether.
No, I mean,
I got your point, but that we have not worked the number. How many samples have been taken? That has been worked, the family members. But results, yes, that should have been worked out. We'll work out and give you. There are 5 children that we know. Women also, mother also. So that will happen. As you know, yesterday we had 24 positive samples. 24. Out of 673 samples which went under test, and again all 24 were from BSF. From BSF, there was one case from Kamalpur Hospital of BSF 3rd Battalion, where a sub-inspector was also found positive. He was working in Dhalai BOP near Kamalpur subdivision and was admitted for complaint on fever, flu and coughing. So his sample was also taken, and before the result came out, he was already in GB because the symptoms had aggravated. So he had already there, and other 23 are now already admitted in the GB. And nodal officers and the district administration in the states where our people are there. Now, based on our request, they are supposed to, in fact, they are to get in touch with the railway authorities, and on prioritization basis, whenever we get the allotment for the rate, they will inform us, and then we are ready to receive.
So how is the condition of the infected child as others?
The mother of the child is not infected. That retest we are doing today for all 3. Earlier, the mother and father was found negative, only child was positive. So, for the family, we have arranged for a separate place in the BSF hospital. Child is perfectly okay. There is no separate. Last, he had come on 6th May. Okay. But it is reported that earlier also he had come as a OPD patient. Got it checked. We are not sure on which ailments, and then he had gone. But he came as an inpatient on 6th, 7th, he was transferred to the Lyjos. When he came on 6th, 6 sample was collected. 7th, he was transferred to GB hospital.
So all those who were
So by and large, this is the development for today. For some statistics purposes, since the beginning we started the quarantine process. We have put about 13,000 persons under quarantine, out of which 11,500 have completed. As of today, there are 448 persons under facility quarantine and 1,252 under home quarantine. We have tested about 7,400 plus samples, and total 89 have been found positive. 2 have recovered, 1 has replaced before the result came, and others are in GB, except 1 child who is in the care of BSF hospital, who were taken care of for him for a day. That those 6 personnel have been identified and quarantined. वो सब इंस्पेक्टर लास्ट who said? We don't deal with the speculations. If we have the tracing which leads to a civilian or leads to a service personnel, it will be definite. But there is no such statement made. जो बीएसएफ पर्सनल था वो सब इंस्पेक्टर था, ठीक है। तो उसके तहत ये कमलपुर हॉस्पिटल से 6 लोगों को क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया था, बल्कि 6 लोगों को क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया है। जब वो आया था तब कमलपुर हॉस्पिटल में they did a very good thing. They kept them under a separate flu ward, so no other patient or anybody else came in their age contact. एक राउंड पहले लिया जा चुका है उनका, वो निगेटिव आया है, बच्चा पॉजिटिव आ गया। Today we had discussed with the IG. What it comes out that the girl is very cute girl, 2.5 years and in the campus. So many people were very fond of her, so they used to pick up and play with the girl. So for this, he might have picked up from somebody outside. This is quite feasible. That's the first hand conclusion that we are drawing, but still we are taking the process.
ওরা কি এদিকে আসতে পারবে ছুটির দিনে?
As per red zone, they will have to, those who fall, 3 kilometers, if their offices fall within that area, they have to remain there.
So what about the quota people?
Quota people has came, thankfully everybody is negative, so that's a very good news. Now their buses, which had brought them from Kota, they have refused to go beyond Dharnagar. So the drivers are not coming. Many of them have left on their own, managing private vehicles. Those who are left, about 100 plus, DM North is now arranging the vehicle locally to send them to their respective districts.
Total number?
There were total 262 persons, including the drivers, 10 buses. So we have about 240 or so our own students.
Students or parents are also?
Parents are not.
Parents are.
The students are there. Maybe, I have no idea, but our own people are around buses and all, around 240 are there.
In that case, are we using these buses for sending the people of Rajasthan?
Yes. So yesterday I had mentioned that we have an arrangement, and earlier we had planned that they will come to our Agartala and then carry their passengers back. So those bus owners have told their drivers they won't go, so they are Dharnagar. And they have told that they would charge money from everybody going to Kota. They have mentioned an amount. Now we have conveyed it to everybody in all 4 districts that this is the money they are charging. If they are willing to do, we are providing our TRTC buses to carry them from here to Dharnagar. Then they can board the bus and go. That we are doing.
So that money will be borne by the government?
No.
They
They are each person.
Okay, you are only the 7.
Nalkata BSF personnel we had tested earlier in connection with our first patient, but this person has no link with that first person. He was posted in BOP since 14th March itself, working there. So his nearby contacts, etc., they have been traced, samples are being collected. In Kamalpur containment zone, about 4,800 persons are residing. So they have been appraised of the situation, and we are providing the buses for them and all the.
So it will be on 10th of May.
Yes, as of now it's a 10th May scheduled, but because this bus is not coming is new development, so our DMs are working for today. But today is 8th, so we hope 10th. First one was from where the chain has started, and second one is that Kamalpur. When they came, they were symptomatic. The first one did not have the classical symptom. He had the stomach pain and fever, which is not the classic. Classic is cough, respiratory problem and fever, which second one had. First one had the stomach, which is now that knowledge is evolving that having a stomach pain, loss of smell and loss of taste, etc., is also a symptom which should be watched. So he fell in that category.
The first person you were talking about, what was his travel history? When he came to BSF last, what was his travel history?
हाँ,
कब शुरू करेंगे आप?
15 लोगों का लिस्ट आया था, तो उनको तो मैंने डायरेक्टर साहब को बता दिया है, उनके मोबाइल नंबर है, they will get in touch, maybe एक दो दिन के अंदर। और जो लोग अम्बासा में हैं, उनके लिए मैंने ये बोल दिया है कि उनका अम्बासा में ही सैंपल कलेक्शन है।
सर इससे सबसे बहुत सारी जर्नलिस्ट को कमेंट आपको पार्टिकुलर
मुझे लिस्ट दे तो मैं सब पता हूँ, मुझे क्या पता। तो जो लोग विलिंग हैं, आप मुझे लिस्ट दे दो, मैं तो
লকডাউন চলাকালীন আপনারা বাড়িতে বসে কিভাবে সময় উপভোগ করছেন তা আমাদের সঙ্গে তুলে ধরতে পারেন আমাদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নম্বরের মাধ্যমে। আমাদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নম্বর 8837059667। আমরা তুলে ধরবো আপনাদের গুণগত দিকটি একেবারে সোশ্যাল বাংলার পর্দায়। আমরা সর্বদা আপনাদের পাশে রয়েছি, আমরা সর্বদা জনগণের পাশে রয়েছি। লকডাউন চলাকালীন স্টে এট হোম। হাঁচি বা কাশির সময় রুমাল ব্যবহার করুন, ভালো করে হাত ধুয়ে নিন বারবার করে। প্রতিদিন ঘর, দরজা, জানালা ইত্যাদি পরিষ্কার করুন এবং পরিষ্কার করার সময় অবশ্যই মাস্ক ব্যবহার করুন, যাতে করে পরিষ্কার করার সময় কোনো ধুলোবালি নাকে প্রবেশ না করে। প্রতিদিন হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজার ব্যবহার করুন। হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজারের পরিবর্তে আপনারা সাবান জলও ব্যবহার করতে পারেন। স্বচ্ছতা বজায় রাখুন, সতর্ক থাকুন এবং অযথা গুজবে কান দেবেন না এবং অযথা গুজব ছড়াবেন না। সোশ্যাল বাংলার পক্ষ থেকে প্রত্যেককে এই নির্দেশাবলী মানার অনুরোধ রইল। নমস্কার।